I think in 10, in 20 years probably, there will be a complete change in the way how we perceive information, how we experience visual information. 2000 years ago, Greeks and Romans, they invented theater, they invented stage, and it was about it was very innovative at that time, and a lot of creativity has happened for the last 2000 years. But there was no real disruption for a long time. How we consume art, how we consume visual information. Yes, 150 years ago, Lumiere brothers, as you probably know, they introduced cinema, they invented cinema with a distance between screen and people just about 10-20 meters. Then we introduced TV technologies with the distance between screen and people just 2 meters, let's say. And suddenly we have smartphones. We now already have smartphones, laptops with just 50 or maybe 30 centimeters between screen and our eyes. And now we have Apple Vision Pro. Now we have any kind of AR, VR helmets, Google glasses, and so on and so forth. And actually, Apple Vision Pro is just a result of that trend. It is just the evidence of that. The distance between something virtual and our eyes becomes shorter and shorter every time, every year becomes shorter and shorter. And this is no difficult to predict what would be the next step. The next step would be special AR contact lenses. This is for sure. There is no doubt about this. This is definitely the next step, and there are already some prototypes, solutions, technologies for that. But remember my previous lecture about that we need one more generation for technology to become mature. Yes, we already introduced AR contact lenses, but we need more time. We need one more generation, maybe 10-15 years for that technology to become mature, to become real technology for everyday usage. And we can even speculate what would be the next. And this is obvious that next would be neural implants. It could be neural link or any kind of neural implants transmitted directly, connected directly to your brain, like in a Matrix movie or like in Black Mirror, with the image recreated in your brain directly. So the distance will be 0 centimeters between something virtual and your brain, your mind. It will be recreated directly in your mind. But what we can say definitely that we already act as a part of virtual worlds, even with our smartphones, with our VR helmets, laptops, computers. We already in virtual worlds. We already communicate a lot online. We already play a lot of computer games. There are a lot of large ecosystem about all of these devices, applications, networks. We already in virtual world.